Hello biology students! Right now we're going to be learning how to create an account on Turnitin.com, which you need to do for a lot of our big assignments throughout the year. So if you're on the computer, you will see a screen that looks like so. And what you need to do is you need to click create an account. When you do that, you'll see a screen that kind of looks like this. What you need to do is scroll down. This first part is if you have used Turnitin.com before, and then you would just log in here. But guess what? Most of you guys haven't used Turnitin.com before, so you're going to need to go until you see create a new account. And guess what? You're not an instructor, you're not a teaching assistant, you're a student. So you need to click on student. Can we wait for slow computers to do their thing? Waiting. Eventually you'll get to a new screen that correctly tells you you're going to be making a student account. Then what you'll do is you'll use what we learned in class, the class ID information. If somehow you've misplaced the class ID enrollment information, it'll be on Blackboard either in the announcements or in the projects tab. Right? And then you would type in the number that goes here in the class ID. Then you would fill in our enrollment password. Make sure you uppercase what I've uppercased and lowercase what I've lowercase. Then you'd put in your first name and your last name. Right? We're going to keep this display name setting. And then you're going to put an email address. This email address must be something you actually check. Do not pick a spam email address. Okay, something like your FCPS Google email account or a personal account that you're actually going to use. And then here at the bottom, this part's really important. Read very carefully the types of things they require for passwords, such as the length requirement, and you can't go over a certain length, and you need at least one letter and one number, okay? And then you're going to put a password. Guess what? I cannot reset your password for you. If for some reason you mistake your password or you forget it, you're going to have to utilize the secret question that you select from this list, and you put your answer below to be able to retrieve your password. So be careful as you pick this stuff because it's going to make this work throughout the year. And then you click agree, okay? And that would make you enroll. After you enrolled, what you should correctly see is that you are now in my class. It would have the current academic year here. It would have whatever the class ID that year is, and you'd see my name. To double check and to get to all the assignments, you then have to click on our class. When you get to our class, you'd see some assignments, specifically whatever assignment is currently due. To submit the assignment, guess what you need to click? Submit. See the next video to learn how the best way to submit is.